What's up, everybody? Mr. Ganja here, back at it with another video, and we have another grow light. Yes, the grow light company sent me another grow light for free to review it. So this is going to be the CR600 review. As we can see, we have the white one here, and this one does pull 130 watts. The other one I have is the 600 watt model, and it pulls 65 watts from the wall. This one is the 1000 watt model, and it pulls 130 watts from the wall. So that's nice. Ficida. As you can see, full spectrum, has UV, IR. UV is really good for trichome production and terpene production and flavonoid production, so that's really good. Those are the specs if you want to look at them. The material is made out of aluminum. It does have a cooling fan on it, and I can say the light does not get hot at all, even when you have it a full blast. It does not get hot at all, which is very nice. There's the recommendations if you want to use them. To be honest, I just set up good for a bit up, and I just let the plants grow up into the light. Eventually they will find the right space or right height, and they will grow pretty good, in my opinion. I don't like to put the light pretty close to them, or if I do, I'll dim it down a lot. As you can see, it comes with the package comes with a LED grow light, power cord, hanging kits, adjustable rope hanger, and of course the user manual. Anyways, stay calm, stay high, grow some, smoke some. Peace, everybody. Hanging kit, power cord, nice. Oh yeah, and this is daisy chain compatible, so I will be daisy chaining this up with my other grow light. Peace, everybody.